Hello, dear students. Today we're gonna discuss topic sentence. This is the statement and paragraph structure in an essay. The three parts of an essay are introduction, body, and conclusion. In this outline, we can see the parts of an essay. First of all, we have the introduction, the body that consists in three paragraphs. Each paragraph has topic sentence, three supporting ideas, and concluding sentence, and the conclusion. Continuing with the explanation about the paragraph structure in an essay, we have that an introduction consists of two parts. General statement that catch the reader attention and the thesis statement with the main idea. Continuing with our presentation, we have thesis statement. In the thesis statement, we have the specific topic and the general idea. The thesis statement states the specific topic, subtopics, organization, and last sentence. And now I'm going to talk about the funnel introduction. The funnel introduction is the introductory paragraph. It functions as a funnel wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. And remember, this is focused on the topic. Talking about body paragraph, consists of one or more paragraphs and develops a subdivision of the topic and vary with the number of subdivisions. And now, dear students, we're gonna talk about body paragraph. Consists of a supporting sentences and develop your topic. Depending on our topic, we will need to use a combination of 5 per 5 paragraph, chronological order, comparison and contrast, and argumentative, etc. And now, dear students, when we are talking about conclusion sentence, we are talking about summary and final paragraph, or a review of the main points. The conclusion sentence signals the end and reminds the main points, summarize, paraphrase, and give us the final thoughts. Thank you.